I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now, got me talking about my life. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm...
You got a Ferrari, SVJ, Rolls Royce, Santa Fe. You know the spot. Do it all.
I need you in my life. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high.
For the 20-inch, it's gonna be $40 each.
Yeah, I'm both. Yeah, I had a drink. Yeah, I smoke. Yeah, you think I need you, but I don't. Just left out Dubai with all my folk. Open water, my location is remote. Shout out Yachty, but this ain't a little boat.
Actually, bring him into the showroom. I don't want him getting damaged. Unload them, just put them under the yellow sign, okay? Those wheels are super expensive.
Used to get left over. Till I got it jump.
Right, guys, you know we're over here at Premier Tire. We're in bay number 1. Of course, we got those Al13 wheels. The crazy part about these Al13 FlowTech wheels, we got the craziest sizes. 21s, 22s, 12-inch wides, 11, 11 and a half, 10 and a halves, all widths, all sizes. We got 2 containers on the way. We mill, we drill, we open up the center boards, all from blank. You want direct fit? We got the direct hit.
Bro, last summer I put that plug in.
Yeah, we don't put plugs there.
It wasn't repairable like you said.
Yeah, so why didn't we order a new tire?
Why? He came all the way to the shop and didn't order a new tire. What makes you think he's gonna order a new tire on the street?
Whoop-de-doo.
That's what I'm saying.
That's
That's
my
our
problem?
Whoop-de-doo.
Why are we doing This one's ready, buddy. I think we got some Florida.
Man.
Like, yo, the camera's on? He's working. He's working. He's working. He's working. I'm working. The f is he doing?
I gotta torque the car, and this one was kind of touching a little bit.
So get a Chrome 17. You can't make this shit up.
That's what I was doing. Look. Look at that.
There's a fucking mosquito.
She don't wanna strip no more, don't wanna hit that pole. Get my old plug, I get it in and go. Shot it, owe me something, better pay your toll. I lit the spoon and I scraped the balls. Scrape the balls, scrape the balls. Like did you get the memo? She eat that rotary. I'm popping hella Skittles, and I can solve your riddle. We'll smoke you like it's menthol. Let's do this crazy mental. A SWAT hood hero, got Johnny Dang Ditto. She's a new fan. She slobbing on a pillow, got chicken wrapped in Nero. She so gone and she can hear. She don't wanna strip no more, don't wanna hit that pole. In my own plug, I get it and go. She don't wanna strip no more, don't wanna hit that pole. Get my old plug, I get it in and go. Shot it, owe me something, better pay your toll. I lit the spoon and I scraped the balls. Scrape the balls, scrape the balls. See way too many ones, I'm about to throw some honeys. And that whole life that you run from, baby girl, keep running. Keep running. It's pressure with me, sexually. Check my bank account. It's precious to me. I got my anchor out. I'm locked in your scene. You know you're my baby now. You're special to me. About your time, about your diamonds, you can get the receipt.
You guys know, baby, big cars, big wheels, big deals.
feel any pain. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you done. I'm a
This guy's ready for the summer, tearing up the streets. You got a Ferrari, SVJ, Rolls Royce, Santa Fe. You know the spot. Do it all. Do it all.
the competition, I don't really listen. I'm in the blue mood, song, bump a new edition. House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks a table come from ebony. Cut that ever into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face, man, I love my baby.
2015 X6 came in for some 20-inch, 20 by 10 wide front, 20 by 11 wide rear. Deep concave build, if you double check, it's a phase 3 concavity on the rear, phase 2 concavity on the front. Flush tube under fitment. What a build.
Two different levels, I cannot relate. You never win if you playing it safe. It's all a game until you get played. You speaking so loud with nothing to say.
You're getting ahead of yourself. You gotta dismount these, put these tires up there. I told you, those tires are for the 24.
Family close, put in work and secure the bag and then take it back to my foes.
It's been a cold, cold summer. Ice in my veins, but you know I'm about to warm up. Yeah, it's been a cold, cold summer. Ice in my veins, but you know I'm about to warm up.
Time will only tell. You can try me if you want. Life can get real crazy. You can try me if you want. We gon' find out soon. We gon' find out soon. We gon' find out soon. We gon' find out soon.
Alright, so we got another Royce Cullinan wrapped up. We got this Royce Cullinan black badge done on the 26-inch Forgiato M in that two-tone gloss black with the brushed finish. We also lowered this vehicle on fitted spec links. So this car's sitting perfect, it's sitting right, and it's looking good and hot for the summer. Holla.
Look, I'm in a silent state, we ain't got the same drive. I know it's hard for you, these moments make me feel alive. Texas speed, built different like a G5. If I'm not the one, you better doubt the 99. Let me get back, look, all I do is win. I got dubs in rotation. You see that I can lead, I should send the location. Okay, find me on the hill, yeah, no miseducation. I never lost one, yeah, for that dedication.
It's been a cold, cold summer. Ice in my veins, but you know I'm about to warm up. Yeah, it's been a cold, cold summer. Ice in my veins, but you know I'm about to warm up.
Time will only tell. You can try me if you want. Life can get real crazy. You can try me if you want.
The thing is this, is for me, I always wanted to do my job in a way where I wasn't relying on people to ask questions to get the job done. So I would try to have as much initiative as possible to get the wheels turning without me having to ask my manager, hey, where's the tires? What are we doing? Etc., 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 etc. You know?
Yeah.
That's why I became an asset to anybody that I work with. I'm a huge asset to them. Because when you work with me, I make your life easier. So we just got these back from our machine shop. Everybody knows we have our own machine shop, Haas CNC Equipment, the most state-of-the-art equipment on the market. We have it, baby. It's in-house. We are not subbing the work out. We got the Al13s. I believe these are the FR80s. There's two different concaves. We got the P2 concave, which is the deep concave for the fronts. Then we got the P3, which is the super ultra deep concave on the rear. These are going on an X5. Let's open up the curtain and see what these wheels look like, baby.
I got you moving.
Your new favorite wheel brand. You guys heard that? Your new favorite wheel brand. You guys want them? We got them.
I got you moving. got you moving like you're going to.
You guys see that X6 right behind me. Al13 wheels, 22x10 front, 22x11 rear, 315s, 275s, BMW Star Spec Pirelli tires. Perfectly fitted. We are not selling wheels, we are definitely selling fitment. Come with me, let me show you what we mean. You guys want to see flush fitment? This is flush fitment, guys. No spacers, just fitment. 90% of the wheels that we sell are custom tailored. Custom tailored cast, custom tailored forged, custom tailored flow form. You want them fitting right and sitting right, we are the spot, guys. It's 416 Rim Gods for a reason. Give us a shout, we'll get you guys dialed in.